Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to auto-tune the oven. All ovens come tuned to operate at their optimum performance. Over time, the oven may require servicing with new elements and temperature probes, or you may use the oven with an abnormal load which will affect the performance. You can auto-tune the oven following the steps shown in this video, but please note that the automated sequence may take up to 8 hours to complete, during which time the oven should not be touched. To start, you need to turn the oven onto standby mode for 10 minutes, whilst the chamber temperature climatizes to the environment. After 10 minutes, press the configuration key, enter the passcode 0381, press return and then go to the calibration icon. On this page, press the PID screen and then highlight PID as on. Now press the configuration icon, Home and Save. You will notice the home page now has a different appearance. Press the Start button and the oven highlights Auto-Tune running. As mentioned previously, do not touch the oven or open any doors during this auto-tune. It can take between 2 to 8 hours to complete the auto-tune. On some ovens, the internal temperature may rise to above 200 degrees during auto-tune, so ensure any products in the oven will be okay at these temperatures. It is safe to leave the oven unattended during the tuning because when it is complete, it goes into standby mode. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.